Imagine a home so luxurious, so advanced, that in the 1950s it rivaled the comfort of a modern house, yet it could travel wherever the road led. What if you could tow a mansion behind your car, complete with polished aluminum walls, built-in appliances, and elegant furnishings? In an era when most trailers were simple and utilitarian, one company dared to redefine mobile living. This is the story of the 1955 Spartan Royal Manor, a rolling palace that blurred the line between vehicle and home and quietly became one of the most refined travel trailers ever built. The Spartan Royal Manor wasn't just a trailer, it was a statement of ambition and prestige. Built by Spartan Aircraft Company, the same firm known for crafting high-end aircraft, the Royal Manor embodied aviation-inspired luxury on the ground. Unlike typical trailers of the 1950s, which focused on affordability and simplicity, Spartan aimed to deliver a premium experience for affluent travelers. Their vision was clear: create a mobile residence that matched the elegance and durability of a permanent home. With meticulous craftsmanship and a focus on comfort, the Royal Manor stood apart as a symbol of post-war prosperity and the growing American dream of mobility and freedom. At its core, the 1955 Spartan Royal Manor was built with an engineering philosophy borrowed directly from aviation. Its structure relied on a robust steel chassis combined with a semi-monocoque aluminum body, ensuring both strength and reduced weight. This construction method, uncommon in standard trailers, provided exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion. Spartan's expertise in aircraft manufacturing translated into precise assembly and high-quality materials. Every joint, panel, and rivet was carefully engineered to withstand long-distance travel. The result was a trailer that not only looked elegant, but could endure years of use without structural fatigue, setting a benchmark for reliability in the mobile housing industry. The Royal Manor's mechanical design emphasized stability and ease of towing. Featuring a tandem axle configuration, it distributed weight more evenly than single-axle trailers, improving handling and reducing sway on highways. This made it safer and more comfortable to tow, even at higher speeds for its time. Its low center of gravity further enhanced stability, while carefully designed suspension systems absorbed road vibrations, protecting both structure and interior furnishings. Aerodynamically, its smooth aluminum exterior minimized drag compared to boxier competitors. Though not powered itself, the Royal Manor's engineering ensured compatibility with larger mid-century vehicles, allowing owners to transport their luxurious mobile home with relative confidence and control. Over time, the Spartan Royal Manor proved to be more than just a stylish trailer. It was remarkably durable. Owners often used it for decades, a testament to its solid construction. While the original design required a powerful tow vehicle typical of the 1950s, later owners adapted it to modern conditions, pairing it with more capable trucks and upgrading braking systems for improved safety. Some units underwent restoration projects, including electrical rewiring and updated plumbing, bringing them up to contemporary standards without compromising their vintage charm. These adaptations extended the trailer's life significantly, transforming it from a period luxury item into a lasting piece of functional history. Visually, the Royal Manor was striking. Its polished aluminum exterior echoed the sleek look of mid-century aircraft, giving it a timeless, reflective elegance. Inside, the trailer felt more like a compact luxury apartment than a vehicle. Rich wood cabinetry, built-in furniture, and thoughtfully arranged living spaces created a warm, inviting atmosphere. Large windows allowed natural light to flood the interior, enhancing the sense of openness. The layout typically included a full kitchen, bathroom, sleeping quarters, and a comfortable living area. Spartan carefully balanced practicality with luxury, ensuring that every inch of space was both functional and aesthetically pleasing, elevating mobile living to an entirely new level. In real-world use, the Spartan Royal Manor became a favorite among wealthy travelers, retirees, and professionals who desired comfort on the road. It was often used for extended vacations, cross-country journeys, or even semi-permanent living. Unlike smaller, more basic trailers, the Royal Manor allowed its occupants to maintain a high standard of living while traveling. Its robust construction meant it could handle long distances without frequent repairs, while its luxurious interior made it suitable for extended stays. Owners often parked it in scenic locations, transforming it into a temporary home. In many ways, it foreshadowed today's luxury RV lifestyle decades before it became mainstream. Today, surviving Spartan Royal Manor trailers are considered prized collectibles. Many have been carefully restored by enthusiasts who recognize their historical and design significance. Some examples are preserved in private collections, while others appear in vintage trailer rallies and exhibitions, where they draw admiration for their craftsmanship and style. Restoration efforts often focus on maintaining authenticity, preserving original materials like cabinetry and aluminum panels. These trailers have become symbols of mid-century innovation, representing a time when design and engineering were deeply intertwined. Their continued existence highlights the enduring appeal of quality construction and thoughtful design in an increasingly disposable world. The legacy of the 1955 Spartan Royal Manor extends far beyond its era. It set a new standard for what a travel trailer could be: luxurious, durable, and beautifully designed. Its influence can be seen in modern high-end RVs, which prioritize comfort and aesthetics alongside functionality. More importantly, it captured the spirit of post-war optimism, when mobility and exploration became central to the American lifestyle. The Royal Manor demonstrated that travel didn't have to mean sacrificing comfort, it could enhance it. Even today, it stands as a reminder that great design transcends time, inspiring future generations to rethink the possibilities of mobile living. The Spartan Royal Manor wasn't just a trailer, it was a vision of freedom, elegance, and innovation on wheels. Decades later, it still captures imaginations with its blend of craftsmanship and ambition. It reminds us that even in the past, engineers and designers dared to dream big and succeeded. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible piece of automotive and design history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the golden age of innovation. And let me know in the comments, would you live in a luxury trailer like this today?